y'all? It's me, Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video. And this is one of my favorite times of year because this month is a month that acknowledges love and also acknowledges the contributions of African Americans to American and world history. So as our tradition for the past 2 years, I will be opening up today's episode with a quote from a prominent African American. And today's quote is coming from a lawyer, life coach, and TV personality, Iyanla Vanzant. And it says, "Accept and acknowledge your own brilliance. Stop waiting for others to tell you how great you are. Believe it for yourself about yourself." So today's sweet treat is going to be a Valentine-inspired cookie bar. This is a great recipe to share. I'm actually going to be taking mine to my coworkers, and I can't tell you how good it is. I can only tell you that it smells amazing. I'm currently waiting for what I made today to cool down. So I actually tried to cut it before it was all the way cool, and it was a fail. So you'll see that in the video. But I'm just that excited to get into it because, like I said, it smells amazing. So if you want to see how to make this, just keep watching. But before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all next time. The first thing you're going to do is add your 1 cup of white sugar, followed by your 1 cup of brown sugar, and then I'm just going to whisk those together to combine them. Take your 1 cup of butter. I've melted mine in the microwave to a liquid consistency, and I'm adding it to my sugar, and then I am going to whisk that together. So you see how it's starting off kind of opaque and dark in color. You want to continue whisking it until you get a pale yellow, so the color that we have here on screen. Once you're here, you're going to go ahead and add in your eggs. I'm adding in 2 eggs. And then you'll add in your 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract and then mix all of those ingredients together. Alright, and followed by our 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I'm using Himalayan pink salt. I'm going to go ahead and mix that in as well before we add our flour. So I'm choosing to add my flour 1 cup at a time, just because it made it a little less messy for me. You can add them both at the same time. It's completely up to you. So go ahead and put my 2nd cup of flour in and mix it just as I did in the previous step. This is definitely a workout, you guys, so if you need to take a minute to rest or pass the whisk on over to someone else to help you, feel free to do that, but you will definitely get your workout in. Alright, I'm just going to move my bowl to the side and add in the candy. This is what makes our sweet treat Valentine's Day inspired. So I have these mini Kit Kats. These happen to be red velvet flavored, and I'm just going to cut them up into some bite-sized pieces. And then I'm also going to add some chocolate candies. These happen to be red, which I think make it a little bit more festive. So I'm just going to incorporate those and give them a good mix. So I've got a greased pan and my oven is preheated to 350 degrees, and I'm just going to spread my batter, and depending on how thick you want your cookie bars to be will determine the size of your pan. And then I'm just going to go ahead and put it into my warmed oven, and I'm going to set my timer for 45 minutes. When I did my poke test, it turned out I needed just a little bit more time, so I did a total of 55 minutes. And then you have to be patient and allow it to cool. But once you do, you just go ahead and slice them and you can serve them like you see here.